Hello, today I'm going to show you a bar trick where you can get some drinks off your mates by using a lighter and an empty beer bottle. You're going to want to put the lighter like that and get the bottle and put it down on it like this. Balance it on it. Now you're going to want to make a bet that you can remove the lighter without touching the bottle and making the bottle not fall over on its side, so flat down. And now here's how you do it. So you're going to want to get both your fingers here and easy as that. And here's how you do it one more time. So you get the lighter, place it down like that, put the bottle on top of the lighter, balance it perfectly. You have to get it perfectly right. You're going to put one finger here, and you just want to hit the lighter like that, really fast. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.